Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove Fibonacci levels on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then go to this pen and let's add our Fibonacci. For example, this one, okay? Now let's say I want to remove the 23.6% level. All you have to do is click on your Fibonacci like this, scroll down until the end, and we have here levels. Click on edit price levels. This is the one I said I want to delete. So all you have to do is click on remove here. As you can see, it's removed. Now click on OK. Now go to apply. As you can see, that level has been removed, but you have to do another step. Click on template, click on save, and click on save as default. Then click on OK. Because if you didn't save it as a template, if you add another Fibonacci, you will see the 23% level. But now you won't see it. As you can see, that level is not here. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.